Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best teeth scraper is probably one of the most effective tools you can add to your oral hygiene routine for combating stubborn plaque buildup, offering a deep clean that goes beyond what a toothbrush alone can achieve, ensuring your smile stays healthy and radiant by meticulously removing unwanted debris and preventing potential dental issues before they start. Number 5. G.CATACC 6-in-1 Dental Tools Kit. Achieve a professional clean right in your own home. These tools are designed to tackle tough plaque, stubborn tartar, and stains with ease. This comprehensive set includes everything you need, like a mouth mirror and various scrapers. Reach every corner for a thorough cleaning. Crafted from rust-proof stainless steel, these tools are built for strength and longevity. Say goodbye to flimsy alternatives. Enjoy a comfortable and secure grip with the non-slip handles. Their precise design allows for easy and accurate maneuvering. Everything is neatly organized in a compact case, keeping each tool safe, dry, and clean. Perfect for both home and travel. Simple instructions make this kit accessible for beginners, families, and even pet owners. Get ready for cleaner teeth and fresher breath. What we like? This kit offers a comprehensive set of tools for a professional clean at home. If you're looking for a complete solution to tackle plaque and tartar buildup in hard-to-reach areas, this is an excellent choice. Its durable construction ensures it will be a reliable part of your dental hygiene routine for years to come. What people say. The tools feel sturdy and well-made, and each one has a clear purpose. I like that it comes with a case for storage and protective covers for the tips. The picks are well-constructed, featuring sharp and precise tips. The tweezers are surprisingly effective, and each tool has a substantial weight that suggests a high standard of manufacturing and durability. Great tools for upkeeping dental hygiene between professional cleanings. The tools are very effective, great quality, not flimsy as others I have purchased. Number 4. Bitvae Cordless Water Dental Flosser. Experience a truly personalized clean with 5 intensity settings. Whether you need gentle care or a powerful deep clean, it adapts to your needs for healthier gums and a brighter smile. Designed for everyone, especially those with sensitive teeth. It begins with a gentle water flow, allowing you to adjust comfortably without any jarring surprises, making your first use a confident one. Forget about constant charging. Enjoy up to 40 days of use on a single 4-hour charge. Plus, it's easily rechargeable via USB, making it perfect for travel and everyday convenience. The large water reservoir provides enough capacity for a complete 60-second mouth clean. This means fewer refills and a more efficient oral hygiene routine. Integrate flossing seamlessly into your day. Its IPX7 waterproof design means you can confidently use it anywhere, even while showering, for ultimate convenience. Achieve a meticulous clean with the included professional tip set. The 360 degrees rotating design ensures it reaches every surface and all those hard-to-get areas for a thorough cleaning. What we like? With its customizable cleaning modes and long-lasting battery, this water flosser provides a personalized and convenient oral care experience. If you have sensitive gums or are looking for a travel-friendly option that can be used even in the shower, this device is ideal for you. Its large water tank means fewer interruptions during your routine. What people say. It gets between teeth better than string floss ever has for me, especially in spots where floss feels like it's negotiating with your gums instead of helping them. Has really good pressure, the attachments are easy to use and clean really well. It blasts away popcorn remnants I didn't even know were there. Suddenly, my teeth feel like newborns, smooth, shiny, and judgment-free. Number 3. Dental Duty Aqua Dental Tools. A toothbrush can only clean visible surfaces. Our powerful tools reach the spots that you miss, ensuring a precise clean every time. Say goodbye to complicated dentist visits. Use our tools for a deep clean that keeps your teeth and gums perfect for a healthy, bright smile. Achieve professional hygiene with our complete kit. It includes a mirror, scaler, scraper, and pick for a thorough cleaning. Upgrade your tooth care routine with our kit. It's perfect for complementing whitening and stain removers, made with premium stainless steel for lasting results. Our mission is to improve your dental hygiene with high-quality tools that deliver fast results. See why so many people trust us to help build better habits. What we like? This set provides essential tools for achieving professional-level oral hygiene at home, especially with the included dental mirror for precise cleaning. If you want to supplement your brushing routine and ensure you're reaching every spot for a healthier, brighter smile, this kit is a great option. Its durable construction and ease of use make it suitable for building better dental habits. What people say. It is very easy to use and the design is ergonomic. The scraper effectively removes plaque and stains from teeth. The product is made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability. Number 2. DenTek Professional Oral Care Kit. Introducing the DenTek Professional Oral Care Kit, your complete set for a healthier smile. This kit includes essential tools for thorough oral hygiene. Experience an advanced clean that fights bad breath and helps whiten your teeth. Achieve a noticeably brighter smile with regular use. The hard plastic scaler is perfect for daily use to effectively remove plaque. Keep your teeth cleaner every day with this gentle yet effective tool. For a deeper clean, use the medical-grade stainless steel pick and scaler weekly. They are designed to remove stubborn plaque, tartar, and food particles. Our fog-free dental mirror allows you to see those hard-to-reach areas with ease. Ensure no spot is missed during your oral care routine. The included gum stimulator gently massages and stimulates your gums. Promote healthy gum tissue for a complete and healthy mouth. What we like. This kit is designed for comprehensive oral care, including tools for daily plaque removal and gum stimulation. If you're looking for a simple yet effective way to improve your oral hygiene, combat bad breath, and maintain healthy gums, this set is a good choice. The fog-free mirror adds an extra layer of convenience for hard-to-see areas. What people say. The pick is of excellent quality, removes plaque easily, and leaves a fresh, clean feeling in the mouth. I can get that little piece of tartar off of there without waiting to get to the dentist for them to do it. Easily cleaned between teeth in a way even floss can't. Number 1. Onlyone Rechargeable Cordless Water Flosser. Experience a superior clean with our advanced water pulse technology. It delivers high-pressure pulses to effectively remove plaque and debris, ensuring gentle yet thorough cleaning for your daily oral care. With 4 adjustable pressure settings, you can customize your cleaning experience. This makes it ideal for sensitive gums and provides a targeted clean for optimal oral hygiene. Enjoy up to 30 days of use on a single charge, making it perfect for both home use and travel. Its cordless design offers ultimate convenience for your daily routine. The 300 ml BPA-free water tank allows for a full cleaning session without frequent refills. You can trust its safe materials for your daily oral care needs. This device is specifically designed to clean around braces, crowns, and other dental appliances. It effectively reaches areas that traditional floss often misses. Featuring IPX7 waterproof protection, it's safe to use in the bathroom and shower. Rinsing it clean is simple, ensuring hassle-free daily flossing. Charging is easy with any standard 5V USB power source. For best results, remember to replace the nozzle every 3 months. What we like. This water flosser offers adjustable pressure settings and is specifically designed to clean around dental appliances like braces. If you have braces, crowns, or other dental work, or if you have sensitive gums and need a gentle yet effective clean, this device is perfect for you. Its long battery life and cordless design make it incredibly convenient for daily use and travel. What people say. The pick works well. The buttons make changing the settings easy. And the battery life is wicked good. It holds a charge for 2 to 3 weeks. It's easy to use and makes my teeth feel really clean. It comes with 5 cleaning attachments, 2 regular water sprayers, 1 plaque removal tool, 1 tool for braces, and a tongue cleaner. The high-price flossers don't do anything more and from my experience any better. It comes with a variety of water jets, 3 pressure settings plus a pulse setting. It uses a Type-C charging plug. On a full charge the flosser works over a month for me with twice daily use. A feature that makes this flosser really stand out is the water container. Unlike most flossers, the design of the completely detachable water tank is revolutionary. It's shaped more like a jar with a twist top. It's easy to remove and effectively cleaned. There is a second or 2 delay built in that keeps you from having water squirt all over you, the mirror and the sink. A thoughtful feature. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.